These are 5 common reasons why your battery light is flashing. The battery warning light on your dashboard is usually triggered by one or more of the following 5 reasons. What are the 5 common reasons for the battery light to come on dashboard? So watch the video, inshallah you will be able to fix it. If you have any problems understanding the video, please comment. Cause number 1, bad battery. A car battery usually lasts between 1 or 2 years. But, as your car battery ages, the electrodes inside it can break down or the electrolyte inside the car battery can leak. As a result, the generated battery voltage and battery power will decrease. And with a dead battery, the battery voltage will drop to 0. When either of these two things happen, the battery light on your dashboard activates to warn you of a bad or dead battery, and you should definitely replace the bad battery. If you experience this problem, replace the battery and install a new battery. Reasons number 2, alternator malfunction. An alternator is the component that charges your car battery. If your car's alternator isn't working, it's not getting enough voltage to properly charge the car's battery, or if the voltage charge is less than 13.60, the alternator charge volts problem could be that it's being exposed to excess voltage. And for the problem, the battery light will come on the dashboard. Alternator charge voltage is low, so replacement it, but in many vehicles, the optimal charging voltage is between 13.6 and 14.6 volts. If your car has a failed alternator or a faulty alternator, it will likely produce a voltage outside of the optimal range. And it can negatively affect the proper functioning of your car battery. Reason number 3, broken alternator belt. Alternator belt, aka serpentine belt, uses the power generated by the engine crankshaft to spin the alternator that charges your car battery, drive, air conditioning systems, power steering and other vehicle accessories. However, with repeated operation, this alternator belt or serpentine belt can develop cracks over time and eventually break. When this happens, your battery can no longer be charged with a broken alternator belt and the battery warning light comes on. Due to broken belt, there are many other problems like car AC not cooling, engine coolant temperature is very high. The solution is to change the broken belt. Reasons number 4, corroded battery terminals. Battery terminals. Carefully check your battery terminals for any loose connections, battery terminals that may be leaking or corroded from exposure to electrolyte solution, corrosion from atmospheric moisture. Additionally, the heat generated by your engine can accelerate the corrosion of your battery posts or battery terminals. But how does it affect your car battery? A corroded battery terminal or battery post is a poor conductor of electricity. And since your battery ultimately receives power through these terminals, poor electrical conductivity can cause battery charging problems. Your vehicle may even have trouble starting the engine, etc. As a result, the battery light on the dashboard may turn on to indicate this charging problem. Reasons number 5, faulty battery cable. Battery cables are responsible for delivering power from the battery to the rest of your vehicle. If a battery cable cracks or degrades, the flow of electricity may get interrupted. Moreover, if the battery cable isn't snugly fit, not loose and not too tight, around the battery terminal, the recharging process may also be adversely affected. When either of these scenarios happens, your battery dashboard warning light could turn on. Ground strap, or ground wire, completes the circuits of different components around the vehicle so electricity can flow as it should. If the ground strap is damaged or detached, the battery may not be able to charge. More than likely, you will notice a specific subset of components in a localized area start to act up if a ground strap is loose or corroded. There are many other reasons why the battery light turns on, such as electronic problems, overcharge volts, damaged wires, etc. What to do if the battery warning light is on? If you're driving and the battery warning light comes on, know that you probably don't have much time left before your car dies. As soon as possible, park the car in one place, turn off the car engine and try to go to the mechanic.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.